Welcome to our channel. If you want to earn money from your TikTok views, follow these step-by-step instructions to monetize your content and build a profitable presence. Step 1. Meet TikTok's Creator Fund requirements, including being 18 or older, having at least 10,000 followers, and accumulating 100,000 video views in the last 30 days. Step 2. Join the TikTok Creator Fund by going to your profile settings, selecting Creator Tools, and applying for the fund. Review and accept the terms and conditions. Step 3. Create consistent, high-quality content that resonates with your target audience. Post at least once daily to maintain engagement and algorithm favorability. Step 4. Focus on increasing watch time and engagement by creating compelling hooks in the first 3 seconds and encouraging comments, shares, and likes. Step 5. Diversify your income beyond the Creator Fund by partnering with brands for sponsored content. Reach out to relevant companies or join influencer marketplaces. Step 6. Promote your own products or services through TikTok Shop or external links in your bio to generate direct sales from your engaged audience. Step 7. Use affiliate marketing by recommending products and including affiliate links in your bio. Earn commissions when followers make purchases through your links. Step 8. Go live regularly once you reach 1,000 followers to receive virtual gifts from viewers that can be converted into real money through TikTok's Diamond system. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.